Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel, Learning IC or Learn IC Fundamentals. In this video I'm going to show you a few things, and it might be a very long video as well. It might last an hour. I'm going to cover various different things, or probably less than an hour, but let's see how it goes. Okay, in this one I'm going to start by showing you how to use some math shortcuts. Like in the previous video I showed you how to add, multiply, etc. numbers in Excel. In this one I'm going to show you how to use some shortcuts. Like, okay, let me just explain to you, let me just show it to you first. So as you can see here, I'm adding all these numbers, so I've added them together. But if you see down here, it does all that for you. Yes, so it is worked out the average. It has counted the number of fields selected, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. The minimum amount, which also is over here. The maximum number, which is here. After adding all these fields together, and the sum total. What is the total of all these cells selected? So that's what I wanted to show you. And you can, if you don't have this number, bunch of these options, or you know, this status bar showing these averages and account and min and maximum status bar, you can select, you can go here, sorry, if you just select these, you can just go here like this and select whichever ones you want to be displayed. So as you can see, I have average, count, I can select this. I've already got selected all these ones. So you can, for example, let's see, if I deselect count, let's go and count, it doesn't show me count anymore. If I deselect average, it doesn't show me average anymore. But I can go here and select average again, and count again. It starts showing me all those things again. So that's a little shortcut that I just showed you. You know, if you're in a hurry, just select all your fields. Sorry, let's just sometimes it does this. Like, I've selected these fields, and as you can see, it has worked out all the average, how many fields there are, the minimum, max, sum of the total, all these cells selected. So that's it on that. So let's show you how to work out an average. So what I'm going to do is, let me just create a new worksheet, or insert a new worksheet. Okay, this is a new worksheet. So let's go like this. So forty-five, 45, 45. Works out the average, which is 45. So, or if you can, let's just do something else, like something 4, 5, 4, 3. Let's check out this average. It's 4. So if you don't work out averages, you just type in any number you want, or whichever number you want to work out the average of, type them in the cells, and just go here, select them, and select them extra cell as well, because that's where you will, for example, it works out a formula. So let's just get rid of formula. So if you just go like this and select average, yes, so it does it for you. But it was always good to just click an extra or select an extra cell when doing this. In this case, it just copied it forward. So that's how to work out averages. And if you wanna like copy a formula, for example, let's just say I've got a bunch of numbers here, 1, 2, 3, then I add them together over here. So once I add them together over here, look, sum 6. You can go here, and if I want to work out how much these three numbers will equal to, 15. So that's what it does. You just copy the formula, and as you can see here, since all you have to do is just go like this, and it copies it forward. So that's a shortcut, another how to copy formulas, and this comes handy when you're doing like if statements and stuff, you know, or more complex. You can, no, not sorry, if statements, but if you like working on a spreadsheet and you just want to work out the total of a couple of columns, so you just, if you go like this, it does it for you. So that's a pretty handy shortcut to learn or remember. So let's talk about how to work with columns and how to create titles and adjust column heights and stuff. In this one, I'm going to talk about write down titles. I'll just write name, address, phone number, and I don't know, product. Okay. So as you can see here, you can't see customer at the moment. In order to do that, what you need to do is come here and format, click on autofit column, and it does it and extends the column to make the writing visible. Come here, do the same thing for this one. Look it. So now you can see both columns. And if you wanna, you can also do this like this. Like for example, just click here, come up here, you can adjust the height according to what you want it to be. So that's how you would adjust columns and format columns. So let's move on to how to format titles. If you want to format these titles, go on the style, select the styles group from the ribbon, and go and come up here. You can select any of these styles. There's a whole bunch of them here, as you can see. You can see them changing. I'm going to go with green because that's my favorite color. So yes, that's how you basically style your headings or tables if you wanted to. You can also, let me see if we can, that's to style your whole table. This option, I'll be showing you that later on. And now see how we can align these titles. Okay, let me just go format here, auto fit column. Hello and welcome to my channel Learning IT Fundamentals. In this video I'm going to go over how to add, subtract and multiply, also divide, in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So let's first add two numbers. 2 1 2 plus 2 1 2. Let's go back here. Just need to, and guys, let me just tell you something. You can either write here, but first, if you want to do any calculation, you have to make sure that you write an equal sign first before you write any calculation or type up any calculation. So let's go ahead and press enter. There you go, it's calculated this for us. It's added these two numbers and it's given us 424. So that's addition done. Okay, sorry, let's just go. Okay, let's subtract the number now. Okay, 2 1 2. Oh, again, you stop doing this. I need to get in the habit of, yeah. Okay, let's just do it here. So 2 1 2 minus 12. Press this arrow here and there you go. I subtracted the number for us. So let's multiply two numbers. If you would like to find out what's 5 times 5, for example, just go here like that, like this, press enter. 25. So okay, that's multiplication done. Let's do divide. If you wanna find out 7 2 3 divided by 3 2 3. Okay, 2 3 2. Okay, just add the equal sign here, and there you go. Okay, it's divided. As you can see, it's given us a very large number with a lot of decimal point and points afterwards. If you after decimal point, there's a lot of numbers there, few digits, extra numbers. If you like to minimize these numbers, all you have to do is select this and go on the Home tab. You see here, it increases the number of decimals. Over here, you can use it to decrease the number of decimals. So I'm going to keep only two numbers after the decimal point. So it's 3.12. But if you want, you can increase it like this. But just for simplicity's sake, I'm gonna get rid of the extra decimal points because I just don't like it, So that's how you basically use Excel to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers. And also I'll show you how to increase and decrease decimal points. What I'm going to show you now is how to use AutoSum, which is here, this one. I'm going to show you how to add numbers using AutoSum. So let's get started. So I'm going to select all of these numbers over here. I'm going to go here, click sum, and there you go. It's worked out a total. It's total all these numbers, or added these numbers together. That's how you work out totals. Or if you want to add numbers together, you just use this. So you can what I just showed you here, you can also use go like this. Hold on. Okay. 2 plus, go like this. There you go. So I did it for you. So you can do it this way, but this is much easier. So why not just use this in the future? Just use this, just the way I showed you. There's other ways of doing it too, where you can select two cells and then add it together. But let's, for simplicity's sake, just keep it simple. Do this. Just always add them together like this. Or if you prefer, if you feel like you want to do it this way, then do it that way. The choice is yours. These tools are available to you. I'll mostly just use this, because it's faster, it's easier, and that's what you want in life. You want to get things done quickly. You don't want to be there to write formulas and stuff. However, it does come in handy if you know the formulas, because you'll get to a point where if you don't know the formulas, then you'll struggle. So it's good to learn the formulas, but if you put it this way, if you have time, then do the formulas. If you don't have time, then use AutoSum. Simple as that. So in this video I've covered how to add, subtract, divide, and multiply, and how to add numbers using AutoSum. I can also show you, like for example, let me show you here. This is a pre-filled previous. Sorry, how do you say it? No, I'll forget it. Yeah, never mind. I was going to say that I just uploaded or downloaded a template spreadsheet with pre-filled data that comes with Microsoft Excel. But anyway, you can use the same AutoSum to work out averages, count numbers, minimum and maximum, which I might go and show you in other videos. So okay, that'll be it for this video. See you in the next video, where I'll be talking about mathematics shortcuts. I'll continue telling you more about numbers and stuff, how to do maths, and how to copy formulas, how to get an average and stuff, the next videos. So okay, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Thank you. Hello, welcome to Learning IT Fundamentals. In this video I'm going to go over Microsoft Excel, which is part of Microsoft Office package. I will be showing you how to create formulas, how to compile spreadsheets, how to format spreadsheets, and the different. And I'll also show you how to create different charts and tables in Microsoft Excel. And yes, and there's for a couple of other things I'll put in there as well. Yes, so these are the basic things I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos, and this is just basic stuff that I feel like everyone who uses Microsoft Excel should have a good understanding of how to do if you're doing Microsoft Excel, or if you're using Microsoft Excel. So let me just quickly show you the different tabs that you have here. Like you have Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, where it has all the different formulas you can use, Data, Review. You can, as you can see, it has proofing, comments and changes. View, you can change the view of the spreadsheet. You can zoom into it. You can change the layout of the pages. Switch windows. And Developer tab, well, this is a bit too advanced. Like you can basically, this is used to create macros. Macros are buttons. You can use Visual Basic to do some basic programming to create your macros. So yes, in the Home tab, as you can see, you have number, cells, editing, styles, which is used for formatting tables, and adding conditional formatting, which I'll be showing you in the next couple of videos. Alright, so that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to go over I think I'll probably go over conditional formatting. I might go over if statements. Well, let's see. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching, and click on my next video to learn more about Microsoft Excel. Thank you. Goodbye.